Welcome to another staycation vlog, and this one is interesting because I am being a tourist in my own city. Yes, you heard that right. Namaskar Mandali, I hope you all are doing great. मी पुण्याची आहे. I am a Punekar. I am born and brought up in this city. About Pune, what do I even say? This city truly has my heart. What do Mumbaikars, Punekars usually do is वीकेंड आला चालले लोणावळ्याला, कर्जतला, अलिबागला. पण कधी कधी जर इतका वेळ नसेल 2 दिवसात जाऊन परत येण्याचा, so here's the fun idea. Just book a luxurious 5-star hotel stay and try to explore some unexplored places of your own city. Like with 24 years of me being existing in this world, I haven't been to, or me being from Pune, I haven't seen Aga Khan Palace, which is right next to Hayat. We'll be visiting tomorrow. That vlog is also coming soon on the channel, so stay tuned for that. Please don't get scared with the door opening automatically. It's just one of my EWI team member helping me out there. If you don't know what EWI stands for, it's Explore with Isha, the channel you're watching right now. Okay, as soon as you enter, to your right is a small cupboard. It's like a cute walk-in wardrobe kind of space that comes with a locker to keep your precious things safe. You can just hang in your clothes here. Ironing pad is also provided. I have kept two of my trolley bags here. One of the drawer contains a laundry bag and the other has sewing kit, nail filer, and such useful kits that you might need anytime. A pair of white slippers, and that's it. Just below the television, they have set up a mini bar. Just have a look at its menu. They have everything that's listed, right from nuts to chips. Let me tell you, nothing of it is complimentary. If you consume any of this, the amount will be get added to your main bill and you need to pay for it at the time when you check out of the hotel. They have also kept an electric kettle for you to make your own cup of tea coffee. Below are some sachets of different varieties of tea, coffee, sugar, brown sugar, sugar free milk, bottles of rum, whiskey, vodka. The unit also has a mini refrigerator, so it's a 3-in-1 space, a bar unit, come tea coffee station, as well as a snack station to grab dry fruits, chips, beverages, and drinks. The room comes with a king size double bed. The check in was at 2 p.m. in the afternoon actually. But as usual, I reached a bit late and so I checked in around at 4:30 p.m. in the evening. Room with a pool view. The sun is just about to set. Did I just mention that I am on the 16th floor? Will be staying on the 16th floor. Hayat Pune is just about 4.9 kilometers approximately from Pune International Airport, so it's very nearer. There are basically three Hayats in Pune, as per my knowledge, as far as I know. One is this one in which I am staying, which is located at Kalyani Nagar. The second is at Hinjewadi. I have never been there. And third is Hayat Regency Pune and Residences. I have also stayed there in their suites and apartments. So if you wish to see that vlog, I'll leave the link here up in the I button for you guys. Let's check the washroom. The wash basin and mirrors at the very center, magnifying mirror for a hassle-free makeup look. Toiletries like soap, comb, dental kit, all essentials that you need are kept handy. Hair dryer, everything that a girl needs is here. And the best part is the window that lets the sunshine in and adds a very plush, fancy, and aesthetic look. The shower area is just to the immediate right as soon as you enter. I prefer hand shower for bathing. The bathroom hygiene level is just top notch. It's so clean and spotless. Guys, this video is not at all sponsored. It's just that my experience with Hayat properties is good so far, so it's just a loyal customer's review. All that I share on my channel are my own personal experiences and opinions. The rooftop pool view from my room just looks even more beautiful in the evening. Dive into this luxurious pool and have a good swim date. It's prettier than what I had seen in the pictures on social media. Now I'll see you guys at the dinner time. Buffet option was available, but I opted for an a la carte. I thoroughly enjoyed the starters and decided to go with the classic Indian food paneer makhni topped with lots of cream. In dals, I chose dal fry, and along with it, I got some salad and butter garlic naan. After a heavy dinner, I still have a room for dessert, and I am carrying along with me a small little surprise that I'm going to show you in a while. So let's go upstairs to the room and let's see what's inside. Ta-da! I have a strawberry cake looking so scrumptious. I love strawberries. It's a made to order 1 kg cake, that too an eggless one. I just can't wait to have it. If you're planning to celebrate your special occasions like be it birthdays or anniversaries, make sure you inform Hayat at least 24 hours prior so that they can arrange the cake for you. I also have here some Sula wine. What more can I ask for? Wine plus cake is a perfect combination, a perfect end to the day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey, good morning is the next day. As breakfast was not included in my package, I even got up late, so decided to go with breakfast in bed, dosa, chutney, and sambar. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog with another staycation. Bye bye. Take care.